Something's moving around, but I don't see quite what it is. Oh god. It's like something's noshing on the plant. There it is. Ooh, he's hairy.
Where is it?
Don't actually know, but that's a claw of something.
It's like on the mouth part.
No, that, well, it could be a mouth part of something, but
To be honest,
oh well, that to me kind of looks like a mouth part of something. Yeah. Yeah, it is.
that's huge.
What is that thing?
I don't know. Oh wait, that's there. There's like a little claw.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. The little claw. I don't know.
It's COVID.
Yeah, it's the next level. COVID 2020. Yeah. Oh my god, dude. That looks like a heart of something. It definitely could be. Is that its whole body? Does it keep going? Oh god, dude. It's too buried in its little thing. think I see it on the slide. It's a lot longer than I thought it was. It's no tardigrade. That's no tardigrade. Yeah. No. No. I mean, it's beautiful, but ew.
It is the very error of the moon that makes men mad.
That orbit laden with white fire laden whom mortals call the moon. A man goes right into poverty. A man goes. That orbit laden with white fire laden whom mortals call the moon. It is the very error. It is the very error. It is the very error. It is the very
Oh yeah, definitely. I secluded the worm, so you can see him in a more clean environment. Oh yeah, I can zoom out. I was just looking. Yeah,
That's so big.
that's its face or something. It's ugly mug. Oh, that is a mouth part. You were so right. Or it's like,
It's leveled up in spore.
no, it's just zoomed in.
Okay.
It's leveled up in spore.
You know the game?
Yeah,
Spore?
that is so funny.
What the fuck?
Oh, dude.
You can see its cells.
Yeah, dude. Well, kinda.
You can see its little dots.
Yeah, it's got little, I don't, they're not chromatophores, but they're just like little, little markings.
Where's the rest of it?
Oh, well.
Can you move it? Can you see it? No.
That's its butt. It's got hairs on it. Yeah, a little bit. It's making me a little sick to my stomach as well, so we ran alone. Yeah, math is clean. Brine solutions.